What if I told you that a FIFA World Cup channel got monetized in just 15 days? And today, I'll show you exactly how this strategy works. The best part? You don't need to show your face, buy expensive gear, or be a football expert. The secret lies in creating highly engaging FIFA content that football fans are constantly searching for. Step 1 is choosing the right content angle. Focus on football facts, legendary matches, player stories, and trending World Cup topics. Marker hand draws a content calendar with boxes labeled Day 1 through Day 7. Multiple football video icons fill the schedule. Arrows indicate consistency. Stickman opens laptop with AI tools icons floating above it. Script icon transforms into microphone icon and then into video icon. The goal isn't just getting views. You need strong watch time, audience retention to trigger YouTube's recommendation system. Use pattern interrupts every few seconds. Add statistics, surprising facts, and visual changes to keep viewers watching. Thumbnails and titles matter. Curiosity-driven headlines dramatically improve click-through rates. Stickman uploads videos repeatedly. A progress bar labeled 4,000 watch hours and another labeled 1,000 subscribers begin filling rapidly. Timing is everything. During major football tournaments, audience demand explodes, creating massive opportunities for new channels. Most people quit too early. The creators who stay consistent are usually the ones who see results. Research, create, upload, improve. Then repeat the process every day. That's exactly how some FIFA channels build momentum and reach monetization surprisingly fast. Remember, success on YouTube isn't luck. It's consistency, smart content choices, and taking action. If you're serious about building a FIFA channel, start today and subscribe for more YouTube automation strategies.